This is the Marshall Emberton 2, and it is a portable speaker with 30 plus hours of playtime. It's Bluetooth and it should sound amazing. I just got it for myself. Wanted to share it with you, so let's open it up, see what's in the box, and maybe we'll do a little sound test as well. Now, before I open it up, let's read about it. You got the Marshall signature sound, you got 30 plus hours of playtime, you got stack mode, which means you can connect more of these speakers together and have a party, and you got IP67 dust and water resistant design, Bluetooth 5.1, and it's 50% recycled plastic. So great. All right, that is the specs. It's the weight is 0.7 kilograms. I gotta say, the package kinda, I don't know, it feels pretty heavy. We'll see what's inside. Let's open it up. Okay, first things first, the cable, I assume. The cable. All right, one more to my collection of USB cables. I'm flooded with these. All right, next up, what is that? That is a lot of paper. Okay, so that's basically instructions for, I think it has only one button, so you're probably gonna need that to figure out how to work it. Or maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, we'll see. But these are the instructions. It looks pretty cool. Everything is nice and clean. Very professional style to the Marshall products, so that's pretty cool. Doesn't feel like a toy. A lot of these speakers get a feeling of like a little, just a little toy, but this one does not. I don't think there's anything inside here, but let me just make sure. Yeah, that's just cardboard. Okay, which is good. It protects it. Okay, done. Let's get into that one. All right, I wanted to do it the nice way, but obviously it's not gonna work. All right, moment of truth. Let's take it out and see. Ooh, that looks gorgeous, super slick, and the material feels really good. Like, if you can see it, you got that texture of a really professional audio gear. It definitely feels like that, and the texture is really cool. It's like rubber with some plastic, but it's like rubber on the outside a little bit, and you got that mesh here, that grill, and the Marshall logo. That looks badass, gotta say. They did a really good job with that. So it seems like this speaker is going to work from both sides, so you can get like a 360 audio picture from it. Well, not 360 because it doesn't go from here, but I guess it will feel like it is. And yeah, let's turn it on. How do we do that? What is going on here? Should have read the manual. It smells good too. That thing has a smell. All right, let's read the manual. So, 2 seconds, press, done. Ooh, that was a nice welcome. All right, I plugged the speaker to my tablet and it's currently paired. Let's do a quick sound test. Now I'm going to record it with this little microphone. This is a mono mic, so you won't be able to hear the whole stereo image, and I assume it's not going to be the full quality, but I already heard the speaker when I was pairing it, and I gotta say I am super impressed by the quality. It is absolutely stunning. Let's hear it. Damn, that sounds good. It's very, like, the bass is amazing. You can definitely, it doesn't sound like it looks like, because the speaker itself is really small. It's pretty much the size of my phone, I would say. I mean, obviously not more thicker, but the size is the same. And it sounds huge. So I would definitely recommend it. And you know what? I actually have an old speaker that is much bigger, and let me try to bring it up and see if I can compare it and we can hear the difference between them. I think this one knocks it off the park. Let me bring it over. Yeah, so here it is. This is the Once Audio 3X or something like that, I remember. Let's hear it out on the same song. this Marshall, look at the size. Just look at the difference. I think this one is like a ton better than that. It's like the bass is a lot more significant in this one, and the whole image that this one can create just sounds bigger. I don't know if my little mic here can actually translate it into the video, but yeah, this is a really good one. I really recommend it if you guys are looking for a nice wireless Bluetooth speaker that also has really nice look to it and doesn't look like a kid's toy, you know. So it's really cool. You can definitely use it in your room as a nice prop, and use it of course outdoors, indoors, and whatever you guys like. Anyway, I hope this video helps, and if you got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Like the video, I would really appreciate it. And if you like to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so. Till next time, peace.